Hello everyone, it's Alice live with Economies.com. We are in London today with Lexa from Deputi.ai. She has a pretty cool story of how she got started in the AI industry sector and what her business is doing to assist small businesses and startups. That's very important, and welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome today.
Thank you very much.
How did you even think about getting involved in the AI sector?
So throughout my entire career, I've been a COO, a Chief Operating Officer,
Okay.
and really helping businesses become better businesses and advising them, and driving efficiency and working on operational efficiency. But those businesses typically are using spreadsheets and filing cabinets, and really with the macro changes in technology, with blockchain, with AI, we sat and had a look and said, how is this going to impact the jobs that we have today? And do we want to be part of that? And we said, yes, we do. So we've developed Deputi.
Deputi. How did you come up with the name?
Well, we're very much your number two. If you're a small business or a startup or a scale-up business, you are doing everything yourself. You're doing all the admin.
Yes.
And really, Deputi is your number two. It's saving you the time and frustration of that business critical admin that you have to do, but you don't want to do.
And so tell us about the features of the platform.
So really, what Deputi does is it stores your documents in sitting on the blockchain, using the immutability functionality to create that audit trail. These are your business critical documents. These are your the documents you mustn't lose. So we have stores your documents, and then the AI understands and learns about your business in a way that it can then advise you and make sure that you don't forget those key tasks. You can ask it questions. It has a chat function. It's not voice, but it's got a chat function. It integrates through Slack. So that you can say, what is my VAT number, and it will come back and to give you the answer.
What are some of the common questions?
Interestingly enough,
that the bot receives?
Interestingly enough, it's some really critical stuff. But the things that you're asked a lot, such as what's my company number or what's my registered address.
Yes.
You're in a meeting and someone says to you, what's your VAT number? I was chatting to someone the other day, and she says it's connecting into various of your business apps and into Companies House. And she said that she's often asking it, what's my bank account number? Because she says she can't remember that.
Right. So is it like an app, or is it like Alexa? I mean, how do I...
So it's integrated through Slack.
Yes,
so
only
if you're
through Slack?
Totally through Slack at the moment,
Okay.
but the app will be coming.
Okay, when is that?
The app will be later this year. But initially you can just talk through it through Slack today. So I can go in, I can ask it what invoices are due, and it will tell me which invoices are coming up.
Okay, that's great.
And it basically, the stuff that helps you run your business and, back to building better businesses. It's that anxiety of, I'm going to miss a deadline, or I don't know what's coming next. Deputi is there, it's thinking for your business, it's sitting on your shoulder. It's helping you become more efficient, helping you to grow your business.
And WeWork has recently become interested in your product. Can you tell us about that?
We're talking to various people and businesses such as WeWorks, where you can clearly they've got lots of companies here where we think Deputi would be a real advantage to them, and we're hoping to come in and sort of be able to offer it to people who work in WeWorks and other similar businesses and accelerators, etc.
That's so cool. Where do you see yourself and the business 10 years from now?
Big aspirations. We'd like to be the business operating system that you can't start or run a business without Deputi. We believe that we can, with those macro changes in technology, we could become that automated COO. So even smaller businesses that are underserved can have that solution waiting there for them.
That's awesome. And I have one final question.
Okay.
What was your aha moment when you decided to learn about AI? Like, what was that moment where you said, that's it, I'm in it?
When you could, we went, so my co-founder and I last year went to a big conference in America.
Yeah.
And we were already thinking about blockchain, we were thinking about AI, we were thinking about how it was really going to impact the businesses. But listening to some of those companies, we went, we looked around, there was nothing like us, and we said AI and blockchain can make the difference.
Where was this in the United States?
This was at Collision in New Orleans last year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed that one.
It was good, it was really good.
And your team is here in London?
Team's here in London.
Okay.
Dara Jones is my CTO, my co-founder. We've worked together before at other startups, so we decided to launch our own.
You have in May, you have a big announcement.
So May we will launch our product, and we have a wait list growing, and they're very excited about working with us, and we're excited too.
And they're mainly local companies or international?
Companies in London, London-based companies, and working up people that we know, people through our networks, but we're building, and we're excited.
Well, best of luck, Lexa. I'm super excited to test your product because I'm sure every business has a need for some sort of AI component to it because it makes our lives much easier. And we can have a lot more time to do all the fun things in life.
Absolutely, we want to take away the boring stuff.
Well, thanks for coming on the show today, Lexa. It was a pleasure. And we look forward to seeing you again in London. Thank you for watching, and please leave comments below and subscribe to our channel at neweconomies.com. And thanks again.